In order to install Git in your Windows machine, just go to the site git scm, or you can search here for Git download, and you will see the first URL. You can go over there and select the Windows section, as I'm using Windows operating system, and you can select the Windows operating system according to your machine. And here I'm going to click on Git for Windows 64 x64 setup. When I hit it will start the download, and it will download this git exe file that you need to run in your Windows machine. So just double click on that, and there's a pop-up, so I just press yes and click on next, 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 next again, next, 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 next. These are the basic configuration, and these according to the standards it's already set, so you don't need to be worry about it. Just need to install that, download the exe file and install it as a simple Windows software. Installation is done. Now click on finish, and it's showing some information about the Git for Windows version 2.5. Yeah, so to verify it, let's right click on any folder where you want to create a clone. Let's say to connect the Git and check it's working or not. So right click on that, go to more option, click open Gateway share, and we can check the status. Now not a status, first we have to create a clone of that directory. So for that we have a command git clone, and we can pass the directory name. So I have one demo directory on my Git account, let me find it. So recently we have created one directory here. So this is my directory that I want to clone, and as I hit enter, it's cloning into this Spring Boot CRUD folder that I have. So we have clone is successfully done, and it says you appear have a clone of empty folder. So here we have just only Git folder and nothing else, because this is also the repository is also uh, empty here. So in this way we can connect with a Git, and we can install the Git, and we can connect with a Git